Hi, dear English learners, how are you doing? Now, I'm gonna teach you 10 different ways to say I like. You know, you always use I like. Yeah, I like something. But there are so many interesting ways to say it. Instead of I like, you can use these words. For example, the first one is to be into something. It means I like. For example, I am into video games. The second one is I love. For example, I love learning something new every single day. The third one is I'm huge fan of. For example, to be huge fan of. Like I am huge fan